Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be giving you a 45-day GRE plan that can get you a score of 325 on the GRE general test. I'll be recommending some books, practice tests and study material, and the links for the same will be given in the description below. Subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with GRE general test and TOEFL and to get tips, tricks and suggestions regarding the same. Okay, so with this, let's get started. So the first part is math and vocabulary, which you have to finish in first 17 days. Math is one of the easiest thing on GRE and the level of math is about that of class 10th. However, vocabulary is slightly difficult, but it is really important because it forms the base for verbal section. You cannot score good on the GRE verbal section if you don't have a strong vocabulary. So for vocabulary, you have to finish these two books, Word Power Made Easy and Vocabulary Builder. I have put the links of both of them in the description to check out. So Word Power Made Easy is a book that breaks down the words into its roots, which makes it really easy to remember words. Further, since there are many words from a single root, these words will be together in the book and therefore it will be even easier to remember such words. There are about 45 to 48 sessions in this book and each session takes about 20 minutes to complete. So you have to complete 7 sessions in a day, which will help you to finish the book in 7 days. Next, you have to finish Vocabulary Builder. This also has around 49 units, and if you finish 5 units in a day, you'll be able to finish this in 10 days. What's good about Vocabulary Builder is that this book groups synonyms and antonyms together. So when you study a word, you will learn its synonyms and antonyms, and therefore you will enhance your vocabulary much better and really quickly. Also, write down difficult words in your notebook and you have to revise your notebook daily. So give 30 minutes extra to revise your notes where you have written all the difficult words. Also, I have made this website that you can use to learn GRE vocabulary. So this is a really effective way to learn GRE vocabulary because this application will speak out each word and then the meaning of word will be spoken as well. So it makes it easier to learn words because the words are spoken and you are seeing the words at the same time. So once you have logged in, you will go to profile and then you will start the word session and the words will be spoken. Then if you know, that you can click I knew. If you don't know, you can click on show answer. Answer will be spoken and then you can go to the next one.
Prolix.
So
Protract.
at the end of each of the session, you will be able to add about 20 words to your vocabulary. You can revisit the session anytime. Your progress will be saved after you have completed the session and you can anytime test yourself. This will give you 50 random words from the list of all the words that are on this website.
Gratify.
Now, along with vocabulary, you have to prepare math as well within the first 17 days. So take any book for GRE, McGraw-Hill works, Princeton is good, Manhattan Prep is also good, or even the official GRE book. I'll be putting links in the description. So take any of these books and go through the chapter-wise concepts and solve questions. All you have to do is solve as much as possible. Give at least 1.5 hours a day for math along with preparing vocabulary, which I already mentioned previously. And one more important thing to note is that you have to solve maths within the time constraint. So in GRE, you have to solve 20 questions within 35 minutes. That is about 105 seconds per question. So I want you to solve questions with the time limit of 100 seconds. That means you cannot afford to give more than 100 seconds per question, so that if in actual test you get stuck on some difficult question, you have some extra time. Now days 18 to 42, that is these 25 days, are your main preparation days. So I have divided your task into 3 sets. In the first set, you have to revise vocabulary 30 minutes, you have to practice essays 1 hour, and you have to practice verbal section for 4 hours. I'll be mentioning books and how to prepare for the same in a while. In the set 2, you have to practice quant section for 2 hours, verbal section for 2 hours, and you have to revise vocabulary for 1 hour. Or if you want to add new words, if you feel that your vocabulary is still weak, you want to add new words, then you can do so as well. But make sure that you revise the vocabulary which you have written previously. And the third set is the practice test day. So on this day, you will give a practice test. While giving the practice test, simulate the environments of the actual test. So if you are giving exam at 1 p.m, so then your practice test should also be at 1 p.m. Do not take breaks in between other than the schedule break which the exam allows, and make sure that you finish each section within the same time limit. If you're not able to finish a section within the given time, do not try to extend the time and finish it. Also practice verbal section for an hour and revise vocabulary for 30 minutes on this day. You have to repeat the sets in the cycle of 5. So on day 1 you will do set 1, day 2 set 2, then you will do set 1 and set 2 again, and then on the 5th day you will do a practice test. Then again you will do set 1, then set 2, set 1, set 2, and then practice test, and then do this for all the 25 days. Preparation for verbal section is very much similar to quant section as I described earlier. Just take any of these books. You don't have to buy a separate book for quant and verbal. Same book will have both of them. So take any book, read concepts, how to approach questions, strategies, tips, and then start solving. All you have to do is practice, practice, and practice. Solve within time limit 85 seconds per question. In actual test, you will have to solve 20 questions in 30 minutes. That means 1.5 minutes or 90 seconds per question. But I'm asking you to solve it within 85 seconds so that you get some extra time if you are stuck on some difficult question. Further, when you have solved few number of questions, then go back to the question which you solved and look for the difficult words which you encountered. If you don't know the meaning of these words or any of these words, note it down in your vocabulary list which I asked you to make earlier, and then you can keep revising all these words every day. For quant section, practice as I already mentioned, so just take any book, practice questions from it within time limit. And for revising vocabulary, what you can do is read your notes which I asked you to make, or you can refer to my website which is in the description. These two are really good tools to revise vocabulary. For AWA section, take any book. The books which you use for verbal section or quant section works. So take any of these books, prepare from it, go through the requirements, formats, etc. for AWA section, and then practice both the essays together. So there are 2 essays, you have to practice both of them together within the time limit. Time limit for each essay is 30 minutes, so you have to set a timer of 60 minutes and you have to solve both the questions together. Further, use Grammarly or any other similar software to improve your essays so that you can refer to it in future. Okay, so on day 43 and 44, you have to solve the Power Prep online test. These are official tests that are made by ETS, so you can get them for free when you are registering for your GRE test, or you can get them later as well. So let's say your exam is at 10 AM, so I want you to give the Power Prep test at 10 AM. Then in the evening, go to ETS website and purchase this Power Prep test again for free obviously. So now you know the answers of quant section 1 and verbal section 1. So mark all of these answers as wrong and you will get a new section of quants and verbal which will be slightly easier because GRE section adaptive test, and since you marked all of the questions wrong in section 1 of verbal and quants, you'll get easier second section. Solving this would take approximately an hour because you'll only have to solve section 2 of quants and verbal. The essay and section 1 will remain the same. Once you're done with this, go to the ETS website again and then get this Power Prep for the 3rd time. This time mark all of the answers as correct in the section 1 of quants and verbal. Then you'll get a slightly difficult section 2 of verbal and quants. It will again take an hour to solve it, so within 2 hours you will be done with Power Prep 1. And then repeat the same on day 44 with Power Prep 2. Give the test for the 3 times, one solving it properly and then marking it correctly and then marking it incorrectly in section 1. So on the last day, you don't need to do anything, just relax, watch a movie, chill out. If you really want to do something, maybe you can revise vocabulary, but I would recommend you to just chill out, watch a movie instead. So that was the 45-day plan which I followed and I got 326. I hope you'll be able to get good score. I've shared all the materials in the description. If you have any other query, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be really glad to help you. Hit the like button and share it with your friends who might find it helpful. Thank you once again for watching and good luck for your GRE exam.